Okay, so we've a moment ago made a video about how to answer this question up here. What we're going to do now is try to understand how to do either of these questions more quickly than we did. Previously, what we did is we found out that if it's increased by 35%, what we did is we found out what is 35% of that. So we did 180, we did it times 0.35, and that is equal to, so that was 63. So then we said, well, if it's increased by 63, then basically it's gone up 180 plus 63. And that's equal to, and that makes 243. So here's the shortcut. 180 is equal to 100% of 180, right? So 180, well, we should say times 100% is obviously 180. So 180 plus 63, plus 63 is equal to 100. Okay, so basically it's equal to this. 180 multiplied by 100% plus, wait a second there, 35%. So actually this new answer, 243, is equal to not just 100% plus 35, but basically 135% of 180. So a quicker way of doing this is, rather than at the beginning you did 0.35 times that, then you added that to that, you can just straight away with one sum just go 1.35 times 180. So basically the shortcut here would be, rather than doing 35% then adding it to the original value, just straight away with one sum, just do 135% of 180, which is just 1.35 times 180. And you do that, you should find the answer is 243. So in the same way, that would be if it was an increase. So what about if it's a decrease? The first one was, let's say if it was a decrease, then we did question one wasn't a decrease. Let's see if we got one that's a decrease. Following the number of, there you are, this is a decrease. So let's have a look at this one. So we've got, so used to use. So the original is 2,400, and the number of customers using a small store decreased by 21%. So we actually want to go down to, what's it going to be? It's going to be 79%, isn't it? Because if it went from 100% down by 21%, then the new amount is going to be 79%. So actually, we just want to do 79% of 2,400, which is just going to be 0.79 times 2,400. Okay, so that's 1,896. Now, it looks like there's the second part of this. Find the number of customers after the store opened. Let's just have a read of this again. Use a small store decrease. Okay, yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, that's this. Find the number of customers. Work out the cost including VAT. Okay, this sounds like it's been chopped up. This looks like it's supposed to have come from a different part. I think that's from the other bit that we saw earlier on. Yeah, value added tax. There you go. So that's what's gone on there. So that's a mistake there. Okay. So yeah, so that's the answer to this question here, and that bottom bit should go to that bit over there. In fact, I see.